So I'm Monel. Here we are in the winter time, and it doesn't get cold enough at night to do the air conditioning thing. So I liked the idea of having an air conditioning, but I also want to learn about capturing rainwater, solar energy, and you had mentioned heating and cooling your house with running those pipes underneath. Love the idea of that. We're building our house on our property. It'll be probably a barn dominium, but I want to make the outdoor structures, the chicken coop, the doghouse, guest quarters, our exercise facility, and stuff like that. I'd like to do all of it out of AirCrete and mixture of that and cob and stuff. And then we have a second home in Kodiak, Alaska, where our business is, and we work there all winter long. So we have, summer long, sorry. So we have storage facilities needs there and stuff, and I'm kind of hoping this will translate. I would second what Matt was saying. When I went back, I guess it was the second day, and actually downloaded the manual, I was like, holy crap, I asked this question, and oh my gosh, it was all in the manual the whole time. I should have just read the manual. And it was just amazing. I didn't have to waste time recording or taking notes or anything, because it's all right there. So if you're listening to this and going to take the class, read your damn manual. It's all there. So, and I've learned so much more than what I had bargained for. And the mistakes that happened here, the leaks that popped up, those were more helpful for me than the successes, because it was like, Daniel, there's stuff pouring out of the wall, and finding out how to do that. What do you do with that? Because that's sure to happen when I start messing with this. And so just doing it hands-on is so much easier. When people record stuff for YouTube, they don't show you all those mistakes. And so I really enjoyed that. And this worm toilet, I was like, how in the heck does that work? And when he was explaining to it, and then you just pointed right here, I was like, holy shit, that's right there. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I just had no idea that, all of these things that you're teaching us, you actually are living them, so I'm really impressed by that. And it's just been a thrill to see it in action as we go along. So thank you for hosting the classes and taking your time out, because this is a big project and you take a lot of time, not only at the class, but all of the prep work that goes into getting ready for this class is a massive amount of time that you take out of what you have planned to, take care of all of us. So I appreciate that.